Now, this is the thing. You allow a perpetrator of evil go unpunished. How is he supposed to learn his lesson?
It was just an accident.
Oh, you call it Tintini? That Tintini in the court of law must be dealt with. See, Nemo do this in Koswaswa. A man can never be a judge in his own cause. You follow suit accordingly. No, see, this is the thing. The major reason why you guys are easily and continuously being cheated is because you are so biased and you don't even have the idea, you don't have the knowledge on what you're supposed to do as a citizen of this country. Now look, no idiot, no animal, no fool dare infringe on my rights and bash my hard-earned car. I will make sure I spend my hard-earned money, my hard-earned degree, my hard-earned knowledge, my hard-earned friendship. Oh no, I do not need that. I will make sure I use everything that I've got that is hard-earned to make sure I put he or she behind the bars for at least 2 weeks first. And after that, we can now be talking on how he or she will come and repair my hard-earned car. Look, those kind of people are the bad eggs that are denting the spirit of patriotism in this country. We should not take that.
Can we at least change this topic? Because I don't know if you are trying to spite me or trying to say I'm a fool for allowing the guy go.
No, I am not outrightly saying that you were stupid. But I am saying that if I were in your shoes, I, Jack, will not take that. I won't. Look, bro, I mean, let's get... Wait. Oh my God! Wait! They bashed my... No. John, John.
Guy,
John, I will take... I will make sure I deal with the person.
Guy, now,
look, no, don't tell me to shut up because you don't even know what I am capable of doing. Because I will make sure I take the details of this man. I will make sure I deal with him outrightly.
He's not serious and that's more.
Sorry, I'm very sorry.
Are you dealing with this car?
Yes, this is my car.
You bashed my car.
I'm sorry.
You bashed a barrister's car.
I was rushing, okay? I need to see somebody inside.
So?
And I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
So you bashed my car. No, not with my status.
Jack, calm down. Enter car, no creating. Let us leave.
Okay? You bashed a senior advocate. No, sorry, I am not a senior advocate here, but I'm a junior advocate. You bashed a barrister.
Sir,
hold on, I'm talking to my friend. Jack. Look, hold on, see. Hold on, I'm talking. I'm a barrister. Look, let me tell you something. I am going to show you how to handle this kind of situation. I will use this man as a scapegoat. Jack. I will take care of this man. No, leave me. I will make sure I take care of this man. Jack. Yeah.
I was just trying to explain. I know that my car came back now. I was just trying to explain.
He's leaving. I have a dream. Human rights. I have a dream.
I'm not wearing my gown.
Woman and child shall be slapped.
I'm not wearing my gown. That's why. I'm not wearing my gown.
No, I'm going, bros. He don't go.
He cheated me.
He want to go.
He cheated me.
He want to. Jack.
He cheated me.